Hello everyone, and trying to snap back to reality. That was really shit. Right, I did, watch a video from, Alex Kister? I can never get his name wrong. But, basically that video, turned out, I think it was, him taking the piss out of ghost hunters. I'm not sure. But it wasn't anything related to the Mandela catalogue. So yeah. Kane Pixels posted a vid. Was it a day ago? Yeah. Right. So I thought I might as well watch it. And also, guys, I found my thing I got from my parents for Christmas. The engraved dog. Well, it's chain and dog tag because men in the military sometimes. Spartans have them from the Halo franchise as well. But yeah, anyway, okay. I had a talk about the shit that's going on with Russia and Ukraine in the previous video, but that one isn't getting uploaded because it's not really. Basically, if you're those people who are talking about how Russia is going to bomb Europe and everything, stop. Just shut up. Go away. Yeah. But we have to take a moment of silence for the people of Ukraine who have lost their lives. It is very... This is so stupid. Who allowed a billionaire to be a master... This is why you don't give billionaires the power to launch nukes! Yeah, on a less serious note, well, it is serious, but it's not as world of... Basically, my friend, who we all know, my editor, MLG Leftywart, that's his YouTube name, has 100 subs. Please go and show his channel some love, please. It would mean the world to me, guys. Right. Talk about Russia. Talk about finding this again. I feel like there was something else. People know about mood rings, right? Well, basically, I have got a couple, but I don't have mood rings for the sake of them being able to change my mood. It's not about that. It's very scientific what happens. It's basically the heat from the sun or all that. And basically, I like them just because they're colourful. Pretty much. Right. Autopsy report. Or I can get a fucking ad. Hang on. Good.
Subject is male.
We know about this. We saw this picture. Kane Pixels posted this picture on his community page on his channel a while ago. Right, okay, sorry.
Somewhere between 18 and 21 years old. I estimate that the time of death was around 5 days ago, but due to the severe tissue damage, it's hard to say for sure. The cause of death was likely malnutrition. I was able to recover most.
Right, so something I did find out. I don't know if I've mentioned this already, but it's even more stupid because, well, it's not stupid, but I only realised like a couple of videos ago because I was watching film theory. The bloody cameraman, or Kane, yeah, Kane the cameraman didn't fall down with the camera. If I have mentioned this already, you can call me a fucking idiot all you like. But basically, he dropped his camera, so yeah, that kind of does. Yeah. Right. Sorry, everyone. Hang on.
So, things start to deviate from what we would consider to be natural. The decomposition process appears to have been stunted somehow. It's like portions of the body stopped decaying and were sustained. Other areas areas, however, were completely overtaken by culture. So, I took samples
Wait, hang on.
of some material. By culture. So, I took
Culture?
samples of some material. Here. First, I thought it was an aggregated collection of Pseudomonas fluorescens, but it seems to be closer to a mutated strain of simple hay bacillus, which it should be completely benign, but well, really, I don't know what to make of this. Mr. Beck, may I ask where this subject came from?
Right. Well, that was new. I don't even know what to do. So that was obviously the corpse from the missing persons video. Also, I was having a talk to my editor about what how Kane Pixels was doing this, because there's no way this is CGI. I think he's actually just found like an office. He's most probably, for all we know, Kane Pixels actually could be a very, very rich person. So he could have most probably rented the an office that isn't being used, and yeah, the rest of it is all very good special effects. That's what I believe anyway. My brain does not have any sort of. I'm just very dumb and I don't know what exactly to say, but yeah. So yeah, make of that video what you will, guys. I'm gonna try and Kane Pixels, if you're watching, I doubt you are. Well done so far. I seriously cannot wait to see where this goes. I'm generally excited. And yeah. Remember, guys, don't worry. If you're... It is very sad to see what's going on with Ukraine at the moment, but it's all very, very weird. Some people are saying that World War III is going to start. World War III won't start because it's mutually assured destruction. If Putin throws a rocket at us, well, he did say on a news interview that if we or America or something like that tries to help out, there will be consequences. Yeah. It's all very, very shit what's going on, but at the moment we can only pray to God for Ukraine to make it through this, and unfortunately at the moment it looks like Ukraine are on their own. I really wish I had left on a better note, but I had to be honest with myself. I'll see you all in the next one, and just forget about whatever's going on in the world just right now. Just worry about what's going on in your life. Not like other things going across countries, just focus on you guys. We can get through this all together.